अगर आप एक क्यूरियस इंसान हो जिसको नॉलेज गेन करना है डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स के बारे में, तो आप एक सही जगह पे हो मेरे दोस्त. प्लीज एंजॉय दिस क्लिप.
60-70% of the game is referencing. Yeah, be great at Googling. Watch a lot of ads. These are not like, you think like Googling is not a skill. It's a massive skill. I think it helps me so much. And get a fast laptop, something. There is some, I know you're thinking, what is it talking about? But I'm telling you, my first boss, Siddharth, told me a very good suggestion. They were to MacBook le le. And I'm a guy who's earning very less at that time. How can I afford a MacBook? Le le wo solve karega. Until this day, it's so fast to search things, references, creators, who's doing what. It's so fast. So it has helped me a lot to Google. Be curious about these things. Like go to Pinterest and look at what other people are doing, other brands are doing. There's a website called Ads of the World. Look at campaigns, how they're doing. Right. So because what happens is the best skill is to how you can remix things and fit it. Right. So this copybook thing, is how they remixed. So when you look at a lot of campaigns, when you look at a lot of things that people are doing, you look, okay, they have done it for a burger. How can I do something like this, but for a toothpaste, right? So Googling helps a lot. Other skill is learn a little bit design. Okay, it helps to sell your copy better. It helps to bring your ideas better, way better. So most of the copywriters, they completely dismiss design, but I'm telling you, my writing process, whenever I write something, I write on notes and all, but whenever I need to flesh it out, I flesh it out on Photoshop. All the time, I flesh it out. Because when you write something like just do it on a note, it just looks like just do it. But when you make it bold, add the kernings, just do it, you feel something. Okay, so when you're coming up with a campaign name, when you're coming up with a like a copy, okay, and when you write it down on a white canvas with bold copy like Coco Gothic, like bold font, and you can see which is looking good, you can see which copy is looking good. A lot of copy is not just reading, it's also very, very visual. Some copy looks good to see, short ones. So design is paramount. Okay, learn designs, and the most important, conversation skills. You're going to be a great copywriter. No doubt you will be considered an artist. But if you're great with communication, if you're great with conversation, you're going to be a rich creative, right? You're going to be the creative that they bring you in the room because you're going to talk to the client and the client is going to give you business, right? So a lot of people won't agree with me. They say that, there are great copywriters who work behind doors, and it's true, but they are not necessarily someone who eventually becomes a chief creative officer. They're not necessarily someone who becomes a CEO or a business driven person. Okay, they stay in copywriting, and some people want to do that, and it's great. But if you want to actually make money, you have to be great at conversations. So that you walk into a room and the client wants to talk to you. It has to be like that.
Right. Preet, any question? If you enjoyed this clip, then please like, share, and subscribe. It's free.